Good morning. Aloha Cycles presents a 2008 Softail Night Train. Check out the 200 rear tire. This bike has 19,000 miles on it, is in awesome condition. Comes with the Vance and Hines staggered shorties, screamin'eagle high flow airbox. You got the Willie G matching skull gas cap and electronic gas gauge. There are 16-inch ape hangers on it with the old baseball style grips. She is in, again, awesome condition. Check out the spokes on the wheels. The tire, brakes are good. Bike is serviced, detailed, and inspected, and ready for your riding pleasure. Stop in anytime at Aloha Cycles to see her. The price on this bike is $11,450. We're going to give her a start for you. And while I come back around here, you can check out that gas gauge. Thanks for looking. Enjoy the ride. Aloha.